let's do the curl up. So I'm going to take my hands behind my head, stacking the palms, holding on to the nape of the neck, base of the skull. My elbows are wide, but I want my elbows to lift a little bit away from the floor and to pull my shoulder blades down the back. I draw my tailbone down towards the floor as I draw my navel in, and I hug my inner thighs together. Now we're ready to work. So we take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, you'll nod your chin to the chest. Lift your head, neck, and shoulders slightly off of the mat. Now hold here. Make sure that your tailbone is still heavy. Try not to imprint your lower back into the mat. Now feel your front ribs pulling down towards the front of your hips, but not your hips curling up towards your ribs. Keep this curl. Take a deep breath in. And as you inhale, feel the expansion of your rib cage. And as you exhale, lower yourself down with control. So the shoulders lower, then the upper back, and then the head. Let's do it again. Take a deep breath. And exhale as I draw my chin towards my chest. I lift my head, neck, and shoulders. I gaze towards my inner thighs. Take a deep breath here. And exhale, lower your head, neck, and shoulders down. And again, deep breath. And exhale. Nodding your chin to the chest. Lift the head. Now when the head is up off of the mat and you're curled up in your curl up position, make sure your shoulders aren't in your ears. And lower your head, neck, and shoulders down. Let's do this twice more. Inhale. And exhale. And lower with control. And one last one for good measure. Inhale. And exhale. Deep breath in. And exhale, lower yourself down with control. Fantastic. Okay. Now, everybody, roll over onto your side. Sit yourself up. Place your feet on the floor. Go ahead and bring your legs and feet together, soles of your feet on the mat for half roll down. Place your hands behind your knees. Allow your elbows to be lifted a little bit out to the sides. Sit as tall as you can right on top of your sits bones. Now engage your back muscles to lift the spine and feel the crown of your head lifting up towards the sky. Take a deep breath here. And as you exhale, draw your navel in toward your spine. Squeeze your tush, which curls your tailbone under, and you start to sit behind your sits bones. As you do so, begin to lengthen your arms. Keep holding on behind your thighs. Lowest part of your back slightly touches the mat. Now take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, pull the abdominals in. Squeeze your inner thighs together. Squeeze your tush. Bend your elbows as you round your spine forward as if you're ducking underneath a low ceiling. Once your shoulders are right over your hips, lift your lower back. Lift your middle back. Lift your upper back. Lift your head. Take a deep breath. And then as you exhale, curl your tailbone under so we articulate through the spine in this half roll down from the lowest part of the back, working its way up. Now take a deep breath here. And an exhale, pull your abdominals back. Squeeze your legs together as you round your spine forward. Lift the lower back. Lift the middle back. Lift the upper back. Lift the head as you inhale. And then exhale, working from the base of your spine, working for your deep abdominal connection to roll halfway back to the mat. Take an inhale. Exhale, scoop the navel out like you're scooping your abs out with a melon ball scooper. Now lift your lower back, middle back, upper back, and head. Let's do this one more time. Take an inhale and exhale. Good. Now hold here. Hold this for 2 breaths. Inhale. And exhale. Deepen your abdominals. Squeeze your legs together. Squeeze your tush. Again, inhale. And exhale. Deepen, 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 deepen. Round your spine forward. and then lift your lower back, middle back, upper back, and head. Great, everybody.